The Fablicator MX is a dynamic and robust 3D printer built to meet the needs of education and industry professionals. Quiet as a mouse, the Fablicator can be used in an office or classroom environment without causing a distraction. The clear-sided enclosed chamber allows great visibility into the print area during the print. The fully integrated MX system has a powerful built-in Windows computer preloaded with slicing software, making it ready to print right out of the box. The MX can double as an all-in-one workstation with a computer capable of running the top design software. The Fablicator MX's individual heads can be used in a variety of ways, allowing you the flexibility to use your printer the way you want, and to get the most accurate and clean prints possible. Use the two extruders in unison to create two copies of the same design, maximizing output while minimizing the print time involved. Use the dual independent extruders to make a single multicolored part. Use one of the heads to extrude support material for your print, creating an immaculate final product. Because of the enclosed chamber and high temperature capabilities, the MX can handle an abundant range of filaments and support filaments. Our printers do not require proprietary filament to be purchased, allowing you the freedom to choose the best filament for the job. Our heated glass print bed is ion strengthened for enhanced reliability and endurance, making it reusable over and over again by just adding some additional primer solution between prints. Filament out sensors can prevent wasted time and material by automatically pausing a print if the filament runs out. The Fablicator SX is our single head model similar to the MX. All Fablicator 3D printers are manufactured and supported by K&L Services Group Incorporated, a small business located in Allentown, Pennsylvania. Visit Fablicator.com for more information or to contact a representative.